So, I'm going to go through a list of the things that I did to my 350Z in order to get it where it is today. I'm going to share with you a little bit of that process in order to get a sense for how difficult it was and my victories as well as my failures. You want a sweet sound system if you got one of these. It's got nice acoustics and the Bose speakers are really good on their own. Over time, they start to lose their potency. And also, I just wanted something with more kick. So, I got kicker speakers. And when I went to go check out the subwoofer, I realized that there was no subwoofer at all. Instead, it was just an old router. I was really surprised that the previous owner didn't try to replace it. But, you know, I'm not complaining. I got a Rockford Fosgate in there right now and it sounds amazing. When I bought the car, there was a lot of bodywork that needed to be redone. I needed to get a new bumper, I needed to repaint it, I needed to repaint and refinish the wheels, and I needed to do some new rebadging, so a total of 5 things. It took about $5,000 to replace. Overall, I think the exterior upgrades and refinements were worth it. Here's a picture of what the car looked like before, and, well, here's what it looks like now. Other than cosmetics, a few things that I had to get done was redo the brakes, redo the suspension. As for the brakes, well, I just didn't want them to squeak. They were making a lot of noise, and I think that was due to rust and also bad brake pads. So we got new brake rotors and new brake pads in order to get rid of that problem. Something else I forgot to mention as part of when we redid the body was the headlights and the taillights. Headlights were in such bad condition that we got new ones. Taillights, however, were in pretty good condition. We just needed to redo them. We sent them to a place, able to get that done. When we tried to retint the window, however, we realized that the passenger window had a problem. Someone had tried to break into the window whenever the previous owner had possession of the car. There were screwdriver marks. We had to make sure that that wasn't going to mess us up. So we decided to pull out the entire door assembly and replace it ourselves. Overall, I'm very pleased with my 350Z, and I'm happy I was able to share this restoration experience with y'all.
Oh hey, how's it going? I'm editing this video right now as we speak. It's great. It's fun. It's not that fun. It takes me about 8 hours, like just constant, nonstop. So it's not that fun. But like, well, you know, finished product and everything. It's awesome. So thank you guys for sticking around and watching the video. You know, get to stick around and watch me talk for the outro, trying to get that good old, you know, getting it over that 3 minutes and 30-second mark so we get recommended. Speaking of getting recommended, guys, we got a podcast now. You should really check it out. It was a lot of fun. It was stupid, but it was a lot of fun. Way easier to edit than this stuff. You think I like clipping a bunch of stuff together to make... No, I don't. This is going to get like 30 views. But the podcast? Oh, the podcast. That's where it's at. Listen to the podcast. It's on our YouTube channel right now. Check it out.